Hello dear viewers, welcome to the channel of Hammad Travels and Tourism. We're your virtual passport to the world, here to whisk you away on an exciting journey through diverse landscapes and cultures. Today, we set our sights on the bustling metropolis of Bombay, or as it's known today, Mumbai. From its majestic landmarks to its vibrant street life, this city is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. So, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. Welcome to Mumbai, a city that never sleeps and is always on the move. Mumbai, or Bombay as some still lovingly call it, is a city of dreams. It's a place where millions come chasing their aspirations, to a city that welcomes all with open arms. Here, skyscrapers and slums coexist in a striking juxtaposition, creating a vibrant mosaic of life. But Mumbai is more than just a city, it's an emotion, a spirit that embodies resilience, diversity and ambition. In the heart of this bustling metropolis you will find a rich tapestry of cultures, faiths and languages. The city, much like its famous dabawalas, seamlessly delivers a blend of traditions, cuisines, music and art, making it a melting pot of experiences. Every nook and corner of Mumbai buzzes with life. The local trains, often referred to as the city's lifeline, carry millions of Mumbai cars daily, reflecting the city's ceaseless hustle. And amidst this chaos, the spirit of Mumbai thrives, undeterred and unbroken. The people of Mumbai, affectionately known as Mumbai cars, are the heart and soul of the city. Their warmth, resilience, and undying spirit are what truly set this city apart. From the fisherfolk of Colaba to the stockbrokers of Dalal Street, from the Bollywood stars in Bandra to the aspiring actors in Versova, everyone here is a vital thread in the vibrant fabric of Mumbai. Mumbai can be an assault on the senses, but it's a city that grows on you. It's a city that has seen it all, from the colonial era to the tech boom, from devastating floods to terrorist attacks, and yet it has always bounced back, stronger and more vibrant. The city's spirit is as enchanting as its glittering skyline, as enduring as its colonial architecture, and as captivating as its cultural diversity. It's a city that celebrates its past, lives in the present, and looks forward to the future. Today we will take you on a tour of this magnetic city from the comfort of your home. Our first stop is the Gateway of India, a monument that stands tall and proud. Constructed during the early 20th century, the Gateway of India is more than just a monument, it is a symbol of the city itself. This colossal structure, standing at a height of 26 meters, is an epitome of architectural grandeur, displaying a unique blend of Hindu and Muslim styles. It was erected to commemorate the visit of King George V and Queen Mary to Bombay, as Mumbai was then known. The Gateway of India is not just about bricks and mortar, it's about a rich tapestry of history. It was here, in December 1924, that the last British troops left the Indian soil, marking the end of British rule. The gateway therefore is not just a gateway in the physical sense, but also a gateway to India's journey towards independence. Its architecture is as fascinating as its history. The monument is built from yellow basalt and reinforced concrete. The design is a beautiful amalgamation of both Hindu and Islamic architectural styles, with the arch being a classic example of the latter. The intricate latticework and the four turrets are a testament to the Hindu influences. But the Gateway of India is more than just a feast for the eyes. It's the heart of Mumbai, pulsating with life. It's where people gather to witness the sunrise over the Arabian Sea, or to enjoy a leisurely boat ride. It's where vendors sell colorful balloons and photographers capture memories. It's where lovers meet, children play, and families bond. This iconic landmark is a testament to the city's resilience and spirit. With its imposing structure and intricate design, it continues to captivate the hearts of locals and visitors alike. This iconic landmark is a must-see for any visitor to Mumbai. Next we move to the vibrant markets of Mumbai, filled with colors, sounds and aromas. Imagine a canvas painted with hues of every conceivable color, punctuated by the rhythmic clanging of metal, the chatter of eager buyers and sellers, and the tantalizing aroma of spices wafting through the air. This is the dynamic tapestry that forms the backdrop of Mumbai's bustling markets. At the heart of this vibrant scene, you'll find an array of stalls, each one a treasure trove of goods. From richly woven textiles, intricate jewelry, to handcrafted artifacts, Mumbai's markets are a testament to the city's diverse cultural and artistic heritage. Each item tells a story, a narrative of the craftsman's skill and dedication. As you meander through the markets, you'll catch snippets of haggling, a time-honored tradition in these parts. The bargaining culture is an integral part of the shopping experience here. It's a friendly tug-of-war between buyer and seller, a playful dance where both parties are looking for that sweet spot of a mutually satisfying deal. But the markets aren't just about shopping, they're also a gastronomic paradise. The air is heavy with the mouth-watering aroma of street food stalls, each serving up a smorgasbord of local delicacies. Picture this: crispy pani puris filled with tangy tamarind water, skewers of succulent kebabs sizzling on open grills, and sweet jalebis frying in bubbling ghee. It's an irresistible symphony of flavors that's sure to tickle your taste buds. The markets of Mumbai are more than just a place to buy and sell. They're a living, breathing entity pulsating with energy, a microcosm of the city's spirit. It's where commerce, culture, and cuisine intersect, creating a sensory overload that's uniquely Mumbai. A visit to these markets is a sensory experience like no other. Scene script. Mumbai is also the home of Bollywood, the Indian film industry. No trip to Mumbai would be complete without delving into the glitz and glamour of Bollywood. This city is the beating heart of India's booming film industry, producing more than 1,000 films each year. From melodramatic love stories to action-packed thrillers, Bollywood offers a cinematic feast for every taste. The influence of Bollywood on Mumbai's culture is profound. The city is dotted with film studios, each one bustling with activity and brimming with creativity. From the iconic Film City, spread over 500 acres and housing about 20 indoor studios, to the historic Raj Kapoor's RK studio, these places are where dreams are spun into cinematic reality. Bollywood's influence extends beyond the studios. The city's cafes, restaurants, and even its streets often serve as backdrops for film scenes. It's not uncommon to stumble upon a film shooting while wandering around the city. Mumbai is also the stomping ground of some of Bollywood's biggest stars. Celebrities like Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, and Priyanka Chopra call this city home. Their luxurious residences are a popular attraction, with fans flocking from all over the country, hoping to catch a glimpse of their favorite stars. Bollywood also shapes the city's fashion, music, and dance. The latest Bollywood trends quickly find their way into the city's street fashion. The catchy tunes from Bollywood movies often fill the air, and the energetic Bollywood dance styles are a common sight at festivals and celebrations. The city's love for Bollywood is infectious. Whether it's the larger-than-life billboards featuring movie stars, the impromptu dance performances on the streets, or the passionate discussions about the latest films at local chai stalls, Bollywood's presence is felt everywhere in Mumbai. Yet, it's more than just entertainment. Bollywood is a cultural phenomenon that brings people together, transcending barriers of language, religion, and region. It's a shared experience that binds the city, creating a sense of community and belonging. The magic of Bollywood is palpable in every corner of Mumbai. No tour of Mumbai is complete without tasting its delicious street food. As we venture through the bustling streets of Mumbai, we are greeted by the tantalizing aroma of spices and the symphony of sizzling pans. Nestled within every corner, every nook and cranny, are food stalls serving up a smorgasbord of authentic Indian street food. Here, food is not just sustenance but a way of life, an integral part of the city's cultural fabric. Let's start with the humble vada pav, fondly known as Mumbai's very own burger. It's a simple yet irresistible combination of a deep-fried potato dumpling sandwiched in a soft bun, accompanied by a fiery red chutney. This unassuming dish is a gastronomic delight, a true testament to Mumbai's culinary prowess. Next up, we have the ubiquitous pav bhaji, a spicy vegetable mash served with butter-laden buns. The aroma of the bhaji, simmering on a large flat griddle, is enough to make your mouth water. The dish is an explosion of flavors, perfectly embodying the spirit of Mumbai. Bold, vibrant, and full of life. And who can forget the pani puri, a beloved Indian snack that's as much a sensory experience as it is a treat for your taste buds? It's a crisp hollow ball filled with a mixture of flavored water, tamarind chutney, chaat masala, potato, and chickpeas. The contrast of textures and flavors is simply magical. These are just a few examples of Mumbai's street food scene. From the sweet and savory dahi puri to the fiery bel puri, from the refreshing kulfi to the decadent jalebi, there's something for everyone. Each dish, with its unique flavors and textures, tells a story of the city's rich cultural and culinary heritage. The food stalls here aren't just vendors, they are the custodians of Mumbai's gastronomic traditions, serving up dishes that have been passed down through generations. The food prepared with love and passion is a reflection of the city's heart and soul. The taste of Mumbai's street food will leave you craving for more. Finally, we take you to the beautiful beaches of Mumbai. A city known for its bustling streets and towering skyscrapers, Mumbai also boasts some of the most stunning beaches in the country. These sandy shores, kissed by the azure Arabian Sea, offer an idyllic escape from the fast-paced city life. Mumbai's beaches are like scenes straight out of a postcard. Picture this: rows of towering palm trees swaying gently in the sea breeze, the sun casting a golden glow on the soft sandy shores, and the rhythmic sound of the waves creating a soothing symphony. The beaches here are not just about stunning visuals, they are an entire experience. Whether you're an adventure seeker or a peace lover, there's something for everyone. For those looking for a bit of thrill, there are numerous water sports available: surfing, parasailing, or even a simple game of beach volleyball. The options are endless, and if you're lucky, you might even spot some dolphins playing in the distance. But the beaches aren't all about the adrenaline rush. They're also about tranquility and relaxation. Imagine walking along the shore, leaving footprints in the soft sand as you watch the sun set in a riot of colors. Or, laying on a hammock, book in hand, as the gentle sea breeze rustles through the pages. The beaches offer a serene retreat amidst the city's chaos. And let's not forget about the food. The beach shacks serve up some of the most delicious local delicacies. From sizzling seafood to refreshing coconut water, the culinary delights are sure to tantalize your taste buds. Mumbai's beaches are also a cultural hub. From impromptu music performances to colorful kite-flying festivals, they are a true reflection of the city's vibrant spirit. The beaches of Mumbai are the perfect place to unwind and relax. They offer a unique blend of natural beauty, exciting activities, and cultural experiences. So the next time you're in Mumbai, make sure to leave some footprints on these beautiful shores. That brings us to the end of our virtual tour of Mumbai. As our journey through the city of dreams draws to a close, let's take a moment to reminisce about the beautiful sights and sounds we've encountered. Mumbai, a city that never sleeps, has offered us a glimpse into its vibrant culture, its rich history, and its ever-buzzing life. Let's cast our minds back to the majestic Gateway of India, standing tall as a symbol of the city's colonial past. This iconic monument, with its intricate designs and towering arches, is a testament to Mumbai's resilience and growth through the centuries. We then dove headfirst into the city's vibrant markets, where every corner was a riot of colors, sounds, and scents. The bustling bazaars, brimming with a variety of goods, showcased the city's thriving commerce and the entrepreneurial spirit of its people. Who could forget our exciting detour through Bollywood? The Indian film industry, with its glitz and glamour, offered us an insight into the world of cinema that shapes and mirrors the country's cultural narratives. We were mesmerized by the stunning sets, the intricate dance routines, and the captivating stories that drive this industry. The sizzle and aroma of Mumbai's street food culture still lingers in our memories. From the tangy pani puri to the scrumptious vada pav, we sampled the city's gastronomic delights that are as diverse and dynamic as its inhabitants. Lastly, we found solace in the beautiful beaches of Mumbai. The gentle lapping of the waves, the golden sands, and the stunning sunsets painted a serene picture that contrasted with the city's bustling life. Each of these experiences has painted a vivid picture of Mumbai, a city that thrives on its diversity and vibrancy. It's a city that's constantly evolving yet firmly rooted in its rich history and traditions. So whether you're a history buff, a food lover, a beach bum, or a cinema enthusiast, Mumbai has something to offer everyone. It's a city that celebrates its contrasts, and that's exactly what makes it so wonderfully unique. We hope you enjoyed this tour of Mumbai and look forward to taking you on more adventures. Until then, goodbye and safe travels.